Bakit nga ba Lancaster? For me, why not Lancaster? If you are from Metro Manila or nearby provinces, Lancaster is very accessible. Experience an easy drive to Metro Manila via Cavite or Calax. 45 minutes from Naiya, 1 hour from Makati, 45 minutes SLEX, and 50 minutes going to Tagaytay. Lancaster has it all, from having a fully gated and well-secured community, cleanest and greenest community, I would say. You know what? Lancaster has its own school, St. Edward's School, and it has 3 campuses. Sa loob mismo yan, guys, dito sa Lancaster. As for your grocery needs, walang problema. Meron tayong Save More 2 stores inside Lancaster. We also have Shopwise for your wider choices. At syempre pa, we have MC Home Depots for your house needs. In LNC, we have The Square, where you can find variety of choices that suits your needs. We have drugstores, clinics, restaurants, tea houses, banks, appliance center, and many more. We have many choices here. We have snack bars. We also have Robinson's Easy Mart for your easy access to your grocery needs. We also have ATM machines for your needs. For your fast food cravings, walang problema. Sagot na namin yan. We have Jollibee. We also have McDonald's. We have Chowking and Tokyo. Dito lahat yan sa loob ng Lancaster, guys. We also have Holy Family Church. And we have Layton Hall that is perfectly fits for your events needs. Parks? Walang problema. We also have a huge park inside Lancaster where you can also have a chance to experience ang mala spring season ala Lancaster. Sa dami ng bulaklak dito, guys, especially around May to July. Sa Lancaster, we also have our own transport hub for the commuters. We are also responsive for the people's need, like transportation. We also have San Pedro Calungsod Hospital that is only 5 minutes away from Lancaster New City. Sa Lancaster New City, guys, since Christmas is fast approaching, meron tayong ganap almost every night like Baga Manila, where people can get a chance to enjoy a variety of street foods and also a bazaar night. FYI, guys, this is located in front of the Square 2 and also MC Home Depot. Dito sa Lancaster New City, guys, we also have a variety of choices when it comes to houses. For townhouse model, we have Alice Unit, the one that you can see in the video. It has 40 square meter, it has 3 bedrooms, and it is perfect for small family and young professionals. We also have Anigad. It has 50 square meter, and it has 3 bedrooms like Alice. And we also have Thea. Thea has 60 square meter and up, and it has 3 bedrooms with mini balcony. And we also have Adele. Adele with fence. It has 80 square meter and up, and it has 4 bedrooms. For single attached unit, we also have Ira, one of the best seller single attached unit, available both pre-selling and RFO. We also have Margaret, Sophie, Brianna, Chesa, Alexandra, Gabrielle. I hope through this video can help to answer the question, why Lancaster? Because why not Lancaster? For trippings and assistance, just comment down below or send me a private message. I'm Tony Sanigo, your property advisor dito sa Lancaster.